What's up, guys? Another video of my truck. As you guys can see, I took the 17s off, ran out of tires, so I threw the 20s back on, but there ain't shit on here either. A few new improvements. When I got that chingazo fixed, went ahead and painted the bumper. I think it looks a little bit better. And I put a slight drop on the back just to kind of level it out, so it's not so raked. That's pretty much it. Everything else is still the same. Haven't made any performance upgrades, haven't had the money. Hope you guys like.